Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi C20. This vehicle comes with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The van also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the solid paint colour candy white, and the vehicle comes with some black bumpers front and rear. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch black steel wheels along with a full wheel trim set. To the rear of the vehicle there are the rear loading barn doors, behind which is a fully ply-lined load area. There are a few lashing points dotted along the load area floor, as well as a bulkhead separating the load area from the cab. This Caddy features twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle, allowing for more options when accessing the load area itself. Up in the driver's cab area there are two singular seats for the driver as well as a passenger. The vehicle comes with a 6.5-inch radio composition audio system with a colour touchscreen. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel for a more unique and customisable driving experience. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.